Hello, in this video we are going to show you how to share a document with a user that is not registered in Docxpresso. In order to do so, we have multiple interfaces, but we're going to concentrate first in the simplest one, that is just to share an empty document. In this case, like you can see, we are in the main page of a template and we have a share box where automatically is generated for us a default link that we can just copy and paste in a different browser. Let me open a browser where I am not registered. And like you can see, a Docxpresso document will be loaded. It is important to stress that by default, this is a single-use link that is secure. With this, we mean that no one will be able to access this document unless this link is provided with all the security information that is in the form of these tokens. If we want this document to be publicly available or to be edited more than once, we have to change a few things in the template or in the generation of the link, and we will show now how. If we get back to the interface, the first thing that we can see is that we can make a document public. As you can imagine, when it is public, anyone that will have a link to the document will be able to access it with no restriction. But if the document is not public, we can still make it editable multiple times by the same user just by checking the keep alive link option. In that case, we have to regenerate the link, and this link can be reused by a single user. This is important because all the data that is provided in any of the editions will be loaded every time that we click on that link. Moreover, you have lots of options that we are not going to cover them all in this screencast that go under the advanced options link and that allow you to customize the link that you're going to provide your user. We will concentrate just now in a particularly important one, that is the one that allows us to limit variable edition. For example, we can create a link that will only allow the end user to edit, for example, treatment and name. Okay, if we just click here, we generate a link that will open a document where only those two fields will be available for edition. If we rather want to send the link to continue the edition of a previous document, we may go to the data management interface, and for example here we just go to that document, and here we have all the data that has been provided, and like you can see, we have also here a share box to generate a link with information about the unique token associated to that document. This means that if we copy this link and paste it like before in a browser, the document will be loaded, but with all the previous data that was provided in the previous edition. This doesn't cover all possible ways to share documents in Docxpresso, but we hope that this offers you a clear introduction on how to share a document, and you can check all other options in the available documentation and help pages. Thanks for your attention.